ESP or DSC light stuck on your dashboard? Here's exactly why it happens, and how you can turn it off without using a scanner. First, restart the engine. Turn the car off, wait 10-15 seconds, and start it again. Many small electrical glitches reset with a simple reboot. Next, check the ESP-DSC button. You may have accidentally turned the system off. Press the button once to re-enable stability control and watch the warning light. Now, inspect the handbrake and brake fluid. Make sure the handbrake is fully released and check your brake fluid level. Low fluid can easily trigger the ESP or DSC warning. After that, check your tire pressure and tire condition. Inflate all 4 tires to the recommended PSI. If you have worn or mismatched tires, replace them. Uneven traction often activates the system. Then look for other warning lights. If ABS or check engine lights are also on, you might have a deeper issue like a faulty ABS sensor or an engine-related fault. Next, check your battery voltage. Weak batteries create false warnings. A healthy battery should read around 12.4 V when the engine is off and 13.7, 14.7 V while running. Now inspect the wheel speed sensors and wiring. Look around each wheel hub for damaged wires, loose connectors, or dirt on the sensors. Clean or secure anything that looks suspicious. You can also perform an optional electrical reset. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10-15 minutes, then reconnect it. This can clear temporary faults, but it may reset your clock or radio settings. Finally, perform a drive test. Drive smoothly for a few minutes. Most vehicles automatically turn the ESP-DSC light off once the system confirms everything is working properly. If the light stays on, you may be dealing with a bad ABS sensor, steering angle sensor, brake switch, or a faulty control module. And at that point, a diagnostic scan is necessary. Never permanently disable stability control. If the ESP-DSC light flashes while driving, slow down and pull over safely. It means the system is actively controlling traction or braking. If this video helped you fix your ESP or DSC light, hit the like button, comment your car model below. We respond to every comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY dashboard light fixes.